In this video, I will show you 3 different methods on how to get bash script names. So let's see how it works. In the first method, I will show you how to use the basename command to get the script name. So let's see it in details. For this method, I have already created a script named getScriptName1.sh. Now let's see the script in details. At first, I have written the shebang line. Then I have written a commented line which states retrieve the script name which is being executed. Then I have defined a variable named scriptName1 and set the value to the basename command, and with the basename command I have written the file which is $0, that is my current script which is being executed. This is a special type of operator. Then I have written a commented line which states display the script name. And to display the script name, I have written an echo command, which is just a simple print statement that will display the name in the terminal. It says the script that you are running is, then I have called that variable using $sign and write the name of the variable scriptName1. Now let's see the output. Before executing the script, make sure to provide the executive permission. The permission has been given. Now let's execute the script. To do so, I will use the // notation. It gives the output. The script that you are running is, it gives me the script name getScriptName1.sh. In the second method, I will show you how to get the script name along with its path directory. So let's see how it works. Now I will show you the code of method 2. For this, I have already created a script named getScriptName2.sh. At first I have written the shebang line, then I have defined a variable named scriptName which I have set the value to my basename command and given the real path with it. Now I have written an echo statement which will print the script that you are running is, then the name of the script. Next I have defined another variable script path which will store the path of the script being executed. For this I have used the dir name command. With it I have attached the readlink -f which will store the absolute path of my current script. And then I have defined another variable path and name which will store both the script path and script name together to show its absolute path. And lastly I have printed this script along with its directory path. So let's see the code, how it works. Now it's time to execute the script, but before that I will provide the executive permission. Now I will execute the script. As you can see, the first output is just the name of the script, getScriptName2.sh, and next I have given the script name along with its directory path, which is basically the absolute path. Now I'll talk about the third method where I'll use parameter expansion to get the script name. So let's see how it works. For method 3, I have already created a script named getScriptName3.sh. At first I have written the shebang line, then I have written a commented line which states getScriptName using the parameter expansion. Then I have defined a variable which is scriptName and set the value to this thing. Now I'll explain it. Here I have used parameter expansion using $sign and curly braces, and I have written 0. As you have seen before, $0 means the script name or path. It also shows the path. Now we have to remove the path part. For this I have used double hashtag and then */. Using the double hashtag, it will remove the longest occurrences of anything that is after this 0. So it will remove the path part from this script name. Then I have just printed the statement script name using parameter expansion, then call the variable using $sign. So let's see how the code works in the terminal. Now it's time to execute the script, but before that I will make sure to provide the executive permission. Now I will execute the script. The output is being given, which is script name using parameter expansion, then the name of the script which is getScriptName3.sh. So that was all for today. If you want to know further, please refer to this article provided in the video description below. Thank you for watching.